Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm looking at a 40-piece hex star and spline bit set. This is from ToolZone, ToolZone Automotive. ToolZone do a few different ranges, automotive, garden, etc. DIY, there's loads of different ones, but these are the automotive range. If you don't know ToolZone, they're a fairly cheap brand, made in the same factory as many others. DSD, Nielsen, Blue Spot, there's absolutely loads of them all made in the same place, just rebranded. Don't tend to have anything on the actual tools themselves, it's just the packaging that's different. So let's have a look in this one. So it comes in a blown plastic case like they all do. As I said, no branding on it at all. There won't be any branding on the inside either, there never is. So these are they're all marked, but there's no branding on it, just says whatever size. So you've got two sockets, you've got a 3/8 and a half. They look okay. They have a ball bearing inside, you can just make that out there. And this little collar is to keep it sprung. Same with that one, this is the 1/2 inch, so it's the same size on the top of them both, it's just different for a different ratchet handle. Again, it's just got a collar pushing a ball bearing there to secure it. They seem alright. Again, chrome vanadium, nicely marked. It's actually really nicely marked, that, compared to these. You can barely see the markings on some, like the 10 there is barely anything on it, but you can see the 8, that's fine. So it's quite a mixture here of poor and decent finished bits, but it is what it is. This set was £9, so it's not like it was a lot of money, and you tend to go through these quite a lot when you're fixing cars, damage them, snap them, etc. So just buy a cheap set to replace the ones that are broke. So hex bits, you've got in the 30mm, which is the short ones, you've got 4 to 12. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's a skip there, there's no 9 and there's no 11. And in the long ones, which are 75mm, same again, 4 to 12. Star bits, you've got T20 up to T55 in the 30s, and you've got 20 to 55 in the 75s. And then these spline bits, you've got 5, 6, 8, 10, 12 in short and long. So basically you pick your bit, which is, this one is a number 8 spline. Yep, that's a spline. Choose whether you want 3/8 or half, pop that in there, get yourself a ratchet, pop it on, and that's it. There you go, easy. Take that one off, pop on a bigger one if you want, if you need it for something else. They do fit well, they're held on nice and tight. It'd be so much better if the markings were decent on them, but for the price, what can you expect? Where is the marking on that one? Oh, it is there. That's what I mean, in some lights you can barely see them. That one is very poor, number 10. And then you've got your longer ones for harder to reach areas. They do fit in well. Finish isn't great on some of them, bit rough around the edges, bit of extra metal just on the edge of that one, but it still fits in okay. That's the number 12. And same with the halves, exactly the same size, so it holds. It's just if you've got a bigger ratchet. I don't think I've got, is this a 1/2 inch? No, that's a 3. Yeah, but they fit in okay, nice and secure. They're decent. Like I said, for £9, can't really complain. It's a full set as well, a couple of bits missing, but not ones that you really use. So we'll test these out anyway over the next few weeks, and we'll let you know how well they perform. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.